Hey everybody, 11:57:51 seconds now, March 26th. This is now the main drawing for the Hulks 4 and 5, graded 1.5, and the low grade issue 6. Over here are the 41 filled spots. Use 2 minis to fill, how many spots? 14 of the 41 spots, I believe. So here we go. Let's roll our 3 dice. Number is 12. Going to randomize 12 times. Name at the top of the list gets all 3 books at the end of the 12th roll. I'm going to try my best to actually get them out this afternoon if I pass by the post office. If not, they ship tomorrow, the 27th. Best of luck. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And here comes the final one. 12, spot 18, Barney Stars. Congratulations. Time is 11:58 and 51